how to go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. So if you want to go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers, then let me tell you one thing, that TikTok offers you an incredible experience where you can share your moments with other people. But due to TikTok's rules, you can't go live on TikTok if you don't have 1,000 followers. But if you want to go live on TikTok, then there's a way. What you need to do is you just need to open up your TikTok application and make sure to log into your account. And once you've logged into your account, now what you need to do is you need to go for the profile, which is on the bottom right. Once you're on the profile here, you will have your account, right? So you don't have any followers, or you don't follow anyone, or if you don't have 1,000 followers, then what you need to do is go for the upper right, which has that three bat icon, and tap on settings and privacy. Once you tap on settings and privacy, you need to scroll down and go for report a problem. Under report a problem, you need to go for live option, and then you need to choose hosting live and choose the first option, which is live is suspended. And under that, you need to go for no, which is your problem resolved? You will have that question. You need to tap on no and then tap on need more help, and it will either take you to TikTok help desk or the report page. So what you need to do is if you get the report page, then you can simply enter a report. You can write, hello TikTok, I do not have the live option on my TikTok account. Can you please enable the live feature so I can go live on my profile as soon as possible? Thank you. So you just need to write this kind of interface. If it takes you to the report page, you can enter the report, or if you take it to the help desk, you need to enter this, and then you need to send, and here you will have a live agent through which you will get some help. So that's the only way how you can go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.